200 milliseconds. If your system takes that long to react, you just lost $5 million. In 2026, traditional chatbots, laggy API calls, and sluggish human-in-the-loop oversight are dead. Welcome to the era of zero latency. A physical catastrophe is nothing compared to the quiet, systemic lie we were sold. The cloud is a terminal disease. There is a new localized physical network that operates at absolute zero lag. If you don't activate the third step of this system, your hardware will literally tear itself apart. We built massive, centralized empires that relied on distant servers to think. But when a high-speed robotic joint requires an immediate reflex adjustment, waiting for a server is a death sentence. To bypass this, we did something impossible. We baked neural networks directly into the physical joints. This is not mechanical engineering, it is the replication of biological reflexes. The machine does not calculate its movement, it feels it. Multimodal sensors now allow machinery to feel friction and thermal stress, milliseconds before a mechanical failure actually occurs. In high-stakes robotics, every microsecond counts. Before the heat registers on a monitor, the reflex has already saved the line. But what happens if the sensor feedback lags by even a single millisecond? Precision crumbles into chaos. Internal synchronicity is the heartbeat of bionics. Where mechanical complexity meets lightning-fast data flow, every fiber must pulse in perfect rhythm, ensuring zero latency response in the most critical environments. In the future of robotics, speed isn't just a luxury, it is the foundation of performance. The self-correcting reflex triggers a violent counterforce, instantly shattering the joint. Stanford engineers ran this experiment. What they saw next shocked the entire team. When they cut the cloud dependency entirely, the machines didn't just survive. They began negotiating spatial coordinates in an unprogrammed, silent swarm, and they did it without ever looking at the room. Traditional cameras translate pixels into nouns, that is to slow. Modern spatial intelligence bypasses the need for human labeling. It does not see, it maps kinetic loops. It interacts, adapts, and understands geometry through sheer physical contact. But what happens when you introduce a completely chaotic, random obstacle onto the factory floor? The gripper adjusts its pressure by exactly 0.01 newtons in microseconds. The glass never shatters. The floor variables change, but the swarm adapts instantly. A self-correcting floor is no longer a goal, it is a baseline. But who guides this autonomous swarm? The answer is no one. The human was removed. Human latency was too high to manage the hand, so the operator evolved. They no longer guide the movement, they direct the intent. Human latency is replaced by human strategy. This is not localized, it is global. When you eliminate the delay between the architect's mind and the machine's joint, geography disappears. But there is a silent threat lurking in this grid. In the old world, a cyber attack stole your data. In this new world, a compromised edge node does something far worse. It hijacks the physical movement. It turns the machine into a kinetic weapon. Software firewalls cannot protect the joint operating. In microseconds, the latency of security is just as deadly as the latency of processing. Traditional digital defense is useless. The solution must be physical. This is the sovereign reflex, a self-defending hardware loop engineered directly into the silicon. It doesn't analyze the threat, it isolates the joint. Instantly, in less than a microsecond, the infected limb is severed from the nervous system. The swarm continues. Zero hesitation, absolute survival. Physical AI is eliminating the latency of human industry and the latency of vulnerability. The systems that survive tomorrow are the ones that defend themselves today. This is the final boundary, the absolute death of lag. The future belongs to those who own the hardware and control the latency. You do not secure the network. You isolate the edge. When your hardware is sovereign, your latency is zero. Physical AI has solved the latency of human industry. Control the execution. Control the sovereign reflex. The sovereign era belongs to those who eliminate the latency of thought. Subscribe to Prompt Zero. The next video is waiting.